see how it's going to react. Hyena eating a lion.
Eating a lion.
Yeah.
No respect.
Put this on the wall watch side.
Waiting for friends or something?
Oh, it's a very good photo. Very classical, it's very unusual to see. Seems like it doesn't like
They don't know what to do.
No, yeah, exactly. Not so sure.
Besides that, I think she or he's thinking maybe the other lions around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a bit afraid. That's why he's looking around.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Guys, you're so right. I think
The
so.
poach is getting closer again.
In 12 years in the bush.
No one would believe it.
No.
Next time we'll tell a story that kills it.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm sure. Just for ethical reasons, we
He's
did
not
not
worried
take
about the
pictures.
dead. Worried about the surroundings.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
But
See
what
sisters.
would they
I
do
love the three
if there are lions
vultures.
around?
Huh?
If there were lions around, what
Yeah,
would
they
they
would
do?
chase-
They'll
Chase him away, but
It's
It's
a
afraid. Look at you.
She's taken.
Awesome. That's the purpose of
Animals in the forest. Lions always have a certain position and always make their prey afraid. Even large animals, linked like the giant armored vehicles, such as rhinos, wildebeest, or hippos, have been attacked by lions. And not afraid of any opponent, although possessing a massive body, covered by super thick skin, and equipped with powerful natural weapons, like forest elephants, is also easy to be attacked by lions and be surrounded. So can the little hyenas escape. This scene was recorded by explorers who saw a hyena with a small body and somewhat scared. What makes it a bit scary is the appearance of an aggressive lion, and the hyena has fallen into the sights of the kings of the forest. A bloodthirsty expression was evident on this lion's face. It is true that no one can ignore this king of the jungle. Like other prey, very quickly the hyena was at the feet of both lions. No luck came to the poor hyena, because the lion took fatal blows to its neck and throat, causing it to suffocate and die. When the hyenas no longer resisted, the two lions began to bite and enjoy their prey. In another scene, two male lions were seen walking around the wasteland in search of something, and very quickly they hit their target. A hyena was preparing to enjoy a delicious meal, when suddenly it was attacked by a lion. With no other choice, the hyena has to run away and leave the prey behind. But with its agility and bloodlust, very quickly the lion caught the hyena. There might be slim chances for the ill-fated hyena if it weren't for another lion's presence. In order to prevent the prey from escaping, the lion pounced and fiercely bit the hyena. Still deadly attacks on the throat and respiratory systems. Weak resistances could not make this lion let go. The other hyenas were also attacked and killed by the lions. Even if they cry out for help, the other hyenas certainly cannot help in this situation. Despite seeing their comrades being killed, the hyenas could only run away, because they understand that we can become the next party of these ferocious lions. After spending a lot of effort and time to control the prey, the lion began to enjoy his achievements. A tragic ending for those antelopes. Again, the attacks and brutal eating of a prey, and still an unhappy ending for the lion's opponent. The video captures the image of a lion trying to attack and control its prey, and none other than this poor hyenas. With a muscular body that is big and strong and muscular, the lion is more dominant. However, this hyena is an adult. It has fiercely resisted the lion's attacks. Not being inferior to lions, hyenas are also very fierce. And even hyenas can counterattack, making it difficult for the lions. Both lions and hyenas have powerful attacks with deep bites that hurt their opponents. The hyena's fierce resistance has shown its determination to fight for survival, and is also that wants to prove that it can also fight a ferocious predator. But unfortunately, luck was not on the side of the hyenas. This lion always shows a confident attitude and does not hesitate when their prey resists, because it knows that no opponent can escape under its hand. Knowing that she could not resist the lion's powerful and brutal attacks, the hyena was forced to obediently surrender. Seeing that the prey was completely unable to resist, the lion slowly carried the prey to a safe place to enjoy the feast. The other lions in the pack also benefited from this fight. They brutally tear their prey and eat it like people who have been starved for a long time. So those hungry lions had a full meal. It can be seen that with their strength, ferocity, brutality, and top-notch hunting techniques, a lion always wins the battle with hyenas. This is also understandable because lions have a strong strength and are very intelligent. They have excellent hunting methods. Typical, when hunting alone, they attack and kill their prey by biting the neck or respiratory system to weaken the prey or damage the blood circulation system. When hunting in groups, the lions split up to take on different tasks. Some clamp down on their prey, others lock the victim's muzzle to suffocate it. It is because of these things that help the lion dominate the green forest and become the lord of all species. The strong will always win and enjoy the worthy results. Like those ferocious lions, they were also very smart, persistent, and dared to confront all opponents to get the meals for the herd. However, will there ever be a time when those ferocious people have to give in to another opponent? Let's see in the next videos. Our video ends here. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and if you love to explore the animal world, then don't forget to press the channel subscription button on the corner of your screen to update the latest and most interesting videos. Besides, please click like and share this video with your friends and relatives to discover about the animal world around you. And now good day, and see you in the next video.